Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best liquid protein shots is probably one of the most convenient ways to boost your protein intake. These shots have become a staple for fitness enthusiasts and busy individuals alike. They offer a quick and easy solution to support muscle recovery and growth. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of liquid protein shots, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to meet your needs. Number 5. Frog Fuel Power Protein Shot. This is Frog Fuel Power, a convenient liquid protein shot. It contains 15 g of nanohydrolyzed collagen protein, perfect for on-the-go consumption. Developed by Navy SEALs and trusted by elite athletes, it's designed to fuel your body. This berry-flavored shot is completely sugar-free, gluten-free, fat-free, and lactose-free. It contains no banned substances or GMOs, making it a healthy choice for anyone. It's a guilt-free way to support your fitness goals. Unlike many other collagen peptides, this product is fortified with 22 amino acids to support muscle repair and strength. It includes essential amino acids like glutamine, cysteine, and tryptophan. It helps you recover faster after workouts. These packets are incredibly portable and ready to drink, with no mixing needed. Throw one in your bag for a quick protein boost before, during, or after your workout. It's the perfect solution for active lifestyles. Frog Fuel's nanohydrolyzed collagen protein digests much faster than whey protein. It is completely digested within 15 minutes. This means your body gets the nutrients it needs quickly for optimal recovery. What we like. This product uses nanohydrolyzed collagen, which is absorbed much faster than whey protein. It's also incredibly convenient with its ready-to-drink packets. If you're an athlete looking for a quick post-workout protein boost that digests rapidly, you should consider this. What people say. Super convenient premixed packets, digests quickly. It's almost impossible to get all the necessary protein without much of a stomach to put it in. Super convenient to throw in a purse or backpack, ready to drink, no mixing required, sugar-free, only 60 calories for 15 grams protein, seems to be quality ingredients. Number 4. Prostat Citrus Splash, 30 fluid ounces. This is a concentrated liquid protein medical food. It's designed for those who need extra protein in a low volume. It is a great choice to help with your dietary needs. This product should be used under medical supervision. Always consult with your healthcare provider before use. They can help you determine if it's right for you. Each 1 fluid ounce serving provides 15 g of hydrolyzed collagen protein and 100 calories. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine, providing a convenient source of protein. You can mix it with any hot or cold food or beverage. This makes it versatile and easy to consume. It can be added to your favorite drinks or meals. It is lactose-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. It is also certified kosher. This makes it suitable for a variety of dietary needs. What we like. This is a medical food designed for those needing increased protein intake. It's a concentrated formula that can be mixed with any food or beverage. If you have specific dietary needs or are under medical supervision and require a high-protein supplement, it's a great choice. What people say. Prostat sugar-free grape liquid protein in a 30 fluid ounces bottle is an absolute game-changer for anyone seeking a convenient and effective source of protein. This liquid protein supplement is a nutritional powerhouse, packing a remarkable 15 grams of high-quality protein per ounce. It comes in a ready-to-use liquid form, eliminating the need for mixing or preparation. Number 3. Medical Grade Liquid Protein, Watermelon, 30 fluid ounces. This is a max-strength, doctor-recommended liquid protein. It's designed to support wound healing. It's also ready to drink and has 0 carbs and sugars. This protein uses hydrolyzed liquid collagen, which has a higher absorption rate than other forms. It contains type I and 3 collagen, essential for skin, hair, and joint health. Unlike tablets or powders, this liquid collagen is easily absorbed by your body. It's a more efficient way to get the nutrients you need for overall health. It contains no proprietary blends and is keto and paleo-friendly. It's also dairy, gluten, and GMO-free. This makes it a great choice for various dietary needs. It comes in great tasting flavors and can be mixed with food or drinks. You can also drink it straight from the bottle. It's even suitable for tube feeding. What we like. This product uses hydrolyzed liquid collagen, which boasts a high absorption rate. It's designed to support the health of your skin, hair, and joints. If you're looking to improve your overall wellness and support your body's natural collagen production, it's a good option. What people say. This product provides a high concentration of protein in a small dose, which is perfect for meeting my daily protein needs without having to consume large amounts of food or drink. The liquid form makes it easy to take, even on busy days. The hydrolyzed protein is very easy on the stomach. Number 2. Global Health LiquaCel Liquid Protein Grape 32 ounces. This is LiquaCel, a liquid protein supplement from Global Health Products. It comes in a delicious grape flavor and is designed to support your health. The product comes in a 32-ounce bottle, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. It's a convenient way to get the protein your body needs. The package dimensions are 7.9 centimeters long, 8.1 centimeters wide, and 21.3 centimeters high. This makes it easy to store and handle. The package weighs only 2.7 pounds. This makes it easy to carry around if you need to take it with you. This product is designed to support your overall health and well-being. Try it today and experience the benefits. What we like. This product offers a high protein content in a convenient size. It is easy to use. If you're looking for a simple way to increase your protein intake, it's a good choice. What people say. The amount of protein for 1 ounce is a great way to get that extra protein in for wounds and difficulty chewing and/or swallowing. This is high quality, easy to take and quick protein source. Contains arginine, so you may experience a little zip after taking. Number 1. LiquaCel Variety Pack, 16g protein, ready to drink. This is LiquaCel, a convenient way to boost your protein intake. It comes in a variety pack, making it easy to find a flavor you enjoy. Each serving of this product provides a substantial 16 grams of protein. It's designed to support your daily protein needs effectively. You can enjoy this protein supplement straight from the packet, or mix it with your favorite beverage. It's designed for your convenience. This product is sugar-free and gluten-free, making it suitable for various dietary needs. It's a healthy choice without compromising on taste. It contains all essential and non-essential amino acids, supporting overall health. This product is formulated to provide a complete amino acid profile. It is also low in potassium and phosphorus. This makes it a suitable option for those monitoring these minerals in their diet. What we like. This product provides a good amount of protein in a convenient, ready-to-drink format. It's also sugar and gluten-free. If you're looking for a quick and easy protein source that fits your dietary restrictions, you should consider it. What people say. Easy to take. Great for a quick protein boost. Perfect for post-workout recovery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.